Dear world, I have a question. Do you know how to spell acritarch? Do you know what an acritarch is? I didn't. Wait, let me start at the beginning. My name is Cole Shafer-Ray. I've always loved spelling and I've always wanted to be a spelling champion. My dad supported my dream and helped me study. With his help, I was able to place third in the Oklahoma State Spelling Bee. Then, a year later, Dad was diagnosed with leukemia. He died just before I qualified for the Scripps National Spelling Bee. My response was to throw myself into studying. I worked 8 to 10 hours a day, staying up until 3 a.m. because now I had to win. But I didn't win. That's where acritarch comes in. It's a microfossil, by the way. I spelled it with an O. I was the runner-up. Now that I'm a high school senior, I've realized that the commitment that took me to the finals could take me to other places too. Today, I have an online business helping other spellers. Through my WordPress site, thespellingchamp.com, I coach people from all over the country. Helping other people succeed at something I care so much about is the best feeling I know. I helped the Scripps National Spelling Bee runner-up last year and the year before. Maybe this year I could help coach the winner. How awesome would that be?